What's up, guys? So I'm about to watch a video with you that's pretty disturbing, and everybody needs to watch it, especially guys that are beginners, haven't been riding long. You need to watch this video, and this is exactly why it's so important that you hold your line over jumps. It doesn't matter how fast you are, doesn't matter what you're jumping, what the other guy's jumping. If you're out on the track, even with guys your same speed, you have to pick a line and hold it. And if you're not jumping the obstacle, you really need to be out of the main line, so normally to the right or the left, and just hold it. And guys will go around you, and when that doesn't happen, it can be an absolute disaster, as we're about to see in a second. But before I show you this video, guys, 97.6% of you guys watching these videos aren't subscribed. So to help me out huge with the algorithm, if you could please hit subscribe. I've also had a few other people tell me that they aren't getting the notifications, and I had them go check their bell, and it's set under personalized. So if you will go to that bell right now and click the bell, it says personalized or all. And if you select all, you'll get a notification for every video. I'd appreciate that very much. Okay, I also want to show you some graphics real quick that just came in today, and let me know down in the comments what you think. It's not every day I get a guy doing all pink and green stuff. Completely pink and green, guys. Every logo, everything. This is going on the KX250 two-stroke restyle kit. It's really cool. Next we have this kit that's the same overall layout as mine, but it's the camo design with blue. Looks really cool. It's going on a 19 KTM 450, just like mine. These are Calvin's. Stuff's pretty sweet, right? All right, let's get to the video. We'll watch it together, and I'll go over my thoughts. All right, guys, I'm just gonna kind of let this play through here. This first time at full speed, you can see, boom, lands right on him. But that's not even the worst part. Wait for it. Boom. I don't know, I couldn't, his bike was pretty far from the jump, so I don't think he got landed on. I think he just got hit, because probably the guy landing off the jump didn't realize there was a bike on the back side. It just all happened so quick. He probably couldn't hit the brakes. But that's the getting hit like that's even scarier than the original crash. So yeah, this is at Mason Motocross, our local track here, and I believe this is like the D&C practice. And he's coming around a turn, and it's a kind of like a tabletop, but it's a little cut out in the middle, or a double that's a little bit filled in the middle. Oh man, that's bad. And honestly, guys, this is a jump that, when it comes to C&D practice, half the guys in the class are going to hit it, half of them aren't. It's just one of those jumps. It's not quite blind, but it is a little tall. You can't see what's going on in the back of it. It's really rolled. Now, guys, I'm not calling anybody out. This kind of stuff does happen. And you can see he landed a little bit funny, and it kind of shifted him to the left. And the guy jumping has to take some responsibility too here. If you're out in the class, at this skill level, and you have an idea that some of these guys may not be clearing this, if it was me, I'm all the way to the far left or right just to play it safe. And if in any doubt whatsoever, I'm locking up the brakes. Because I will tell you this, I have seen a lot of people get landed on over the years, And 90% of the time, for some reason, it's the person that lands on someone that gets hurt worse than the person that gets landed on. It's one of those weird things, but I think both these guys are okay. They did have to go to the hospital, but I think they both ended up being all right. So it's just scary, you know, when you see this stuff happen at your local tracks. Just one of those things, but I just want to put some awareness out there. Like, if you aren't clearing an obstacle, please, guys, stay to the right, stay to the left, hold that line all the way over the landing if possible. And guys will be able to float over the fast line or go around you the way they need to be. You don't need to swerve and dip and dodge, and just go to the right or left, hold your line. Yeah, just my 2 cents on these situations, guys, but thanks for watching with me. I really appreciate everybody's support, and see you in the next video.